Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make handmade noodles. First, gather your simple ingredients, all-purpose flour, water, and a small amount of salt. Combine these in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a clean surface and begin to knead it thoroughly. This initial step sets the foundation for delicious, homemade noodles. Once your dough is shaggy, knead it vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want it to become smooth and elastic, not sticky. After kneading, form the dough into a ball, cover it tightly with plastic wrap, and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is vital for a pliable dough. Now, on a lightly floured surface, roll out your rested dough. Aim for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch. The thinner, the better. Dust the surface with more flour, then gently fold the dough several times. Using a sharp knife, cut the folded dough into strips of your preferred width, from fine strands to wide ribbons. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh noodles and cook for 2 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface and are tender. Drain immediately. If not cooking right away, you can store uncooked noodles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.